out, guys. This is the billionaire edition of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Look here, billionaire. There's only one of these in the whole world. Every panel has been replaced. You've got the billionaire stitching. You've got all new leather. The billionaire emblem here on the steering wheel. The plush carpets even have the billionaire logo right there. All right, now listen to this. Look at this starlight in the back. How pretty is this? Wow, this is this is $1 million, 3 times more expensive than the standard Cullinan. Now head around the back. Guys, what? Alright, let me show you more. You've got these massive 24-inch wheels. The whole front bumper has been redesigned. Look, all of this has been added. All of the carbon fiber details as well. And you've got a whole new Spirit of Ecstasy. Now let me show you 2 more of the most luxurious cars in the world right here at VIP Motors. Turn this off. All right, come with me. All right, look at this. 24 karat gold art gallery all the way across here. This is the Phantom Tranquility Edition, one of 25 in the whole world. And you've also got 24 karat gold here in the speakers and in the back. More gold. And the beautiful starlight roof as well. You've also got ceramic on the front. The Spirit of Ecstasy is made out of ceramic, and it's also got gold trimming here as well with Phantom Tranquility Collection. This is 1.5 times the cost of the Rolls-Royce Phantom standard. Come with me. This is the Bentley Bentayga Mansouri edition. Look at these rims, you guys. That is awesome. Come around the front. Whole new hood, all in carbon fiber. Love this. Never seen a Bentayga Mansouri edition before. This is about double the cost of a normal Bentayga. Now come inside. Look at this interior. All in fire red, and this steering wheel is sportier. Look at the shape of this. You never see a steering wheel in that shape. That is super cool. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's why you get it killed by Mansouri. Oh my goodness. All right. That is mad. Wow. There you go. Some of the coolest, most luxurious, specced out cars at VIP Motors.